Students, today we are going to discuss diary entry format. We'll learn how and why diary is written. Children, a diary is a personal record of incidents experienced by a writer and his or her resultant feelings, emotions, and reactions. It is a daily record written in the latter half of the day. Latter half of the day means second half of the day before retiring for the night, before going to bed. Writing a diary is like having a conversation with an intimate friend. Here, who is the intimate friend? Diary is the intimate friend. The writer can shed all pretenses and be himself or herself. Means the writer can write down all about his feelings. Mostly, the simple past tense is used to record incidents and reactions that have already taken place. However, the present and future tense are also used depending on whether the writer wishes to make a resolution or refer to a planning. Children, most of the time, diary is written always in the past tense because it is a record of past events. But sometimes, when we write down about our resolutions or we write down about future planning, future and present tense is also used. Use the first person narration and the active voice. Why first person? Because writer is talking about himself and with whom the writer talks with the diary. Use a language that is chatty, friendly, and informal. It is same as we talk to any one of our friends. Though informal, refrain means avoid or stop from using short forms and slang. For this, diary entry will be assessed for writing style and mechanics. Means the examiner will assess your diary entry on the basis of your writing style, your vocab, and your mechanics, your skills of writing, and emphasize on feelings, emotions, and reactions rather than describing incidents. Children, now understand how to write diary entry format. First of all, you write down day, date, and time. All this is written on the top left corner of the page. So, after writing down day and date, you leave one line, drop one line. After that, write down time. Then again, drop one line, write down salutation. For salutation, you can write down dear diary, hello diary, or you can give any name to your diary. Then write down the body of the diary entry, where you write down different paragraphs: opening paragraph, body, then closing paragraph. After that, drop one line and write down your name. Children, let's understand it through one sole example. The question given here is: today you celebrated Independence Day at your school, but you are not satisfied with the attitude of people towards freedom. They consider that they are free to spoil the country and soil its image. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings. First, you can see day and date is written. After that, drop one line. Then time is written. You also have to write down time in the same format. If you write down PM, both the letters, either they should be small or they should be capital. It should not be like that one letter you are writing down capital and another is small. That will be considered wrong. Then write down salutation. Here it is written dear diary. You can give any name to your diary. And after salutation, you can see the body is written. You can go through it yourself. And after the completion of body, after the completion of this content, at the end, name is written. So this way you have to write down your diary entry. So children, today I have given you one question from your Gulmohar book, which is given in chapter 6. And before writing down that question, you write down the format of diary entry which is given in this video. note down the format and then do the diary entry. You have to do this work in English 1 notebook.